As usual, stdio.h is included, and also string.h is included as we require to use strlen function. A 2D character variable x is declared. Integer variables I, n, max and id are declared. The max variable value is initially taken as 0. The printf statement asks the user to enter how many strings he is going to enter to this program. Whatever user enters, it will be read into the variable n. This for loop reads n strings into the 2D character array. The theme behind this program is as follows. We will travel strings one by one. For each string, we will calculate the length. If this length is greater than maxima, we will take this length as the maxima. At the same time, the string index we will remember in the variable id. Once we traverse all the strings, the max variable contains the length of the largest string. The variable id contains the index of the string which contains more number of characters. The last printf statement will print the longest string. I value is initialized to 0. Is I less than n? Yes. Currently, I value is 0. Thus, string length of x of I is calculated. That is x of 0 rom. Its length 3 will be calculated and assigned to the variable L. L greater than maxima, 3 greater than 0, yes. Thus, L value, that is 3, will be assigned to max. And I value will be assigned to id. Thus, id value becomes 0. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Currently, I value is 1. Thus, string length of x of 1, that is Anuj, will be calculated and it will be assigned to the variable L. Thus, L value becomes 4. Is L greater than max? That is 4 greater than 3? Yes. Thus, L value 4 will be assigned to max. And I value, that is 1, will be assigned to id. Thus, id becomes 1. That is, the index of the string having more number of character will be stored in the variable id. At the same time, its length will be stored in max now. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Currently, I value is 2. Thus, strlen x of 2, that is Abhi, is calculated. That will be assigned to the variable L. Thus, L value becomes 4. Is L greater than max? That is 4 greater than 4? No. Thus, no action takes place with this string. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Currently, I value is 3. strlen of x of I, that becomes Anurag. What is the length of the string Anurag? That is 6. That will be assigned to the variable L. Is L greater than max? That is 6 greater than 4? Yes. Thus, 6 will be assigned to max. And I value, that is 3, will be assigned to ID. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Currently, I value is 4. L is equal to strlen x of I when it is executed. As I value is 4, x of 4, that is the string Akrut, its length becomes 6. Thus, L value becomes 6. Is 6 greater than max? No. Thus, no action takes place with this string. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Currently, I value is 5. L is equal to strlen x of I when it is calculated. L value becomes 4. Is 4 greater than max? That is 6? No. Thus, with this string also, no action takes place. I value will be incremented by 1. I, is it less than n? No. By this time, we have traversed all the string. We found the string Anurag is the one having more number of characters. Of course, Akrut also becomes the longest string. However, we are just displaying the first string because both of them are of same length.